a Mission 10 budget by stressing on all the important sectors of the state's growth and economy. I would also like to comment on the remarkable achievement of the government for maintaining peace and harmony in the state for the last 6 years, which is the most essential criteria for any state or nation to move forward. Speaker, sir, I'm glad to represent MAWSHYNRUT constituency. People of my constituency and the district of West Kasil district are dedicated and hardworking. The youth are blessed with extraordinary talents. Besides other commercial activities, a large number of the population of our district and my constituency depend their livelihood mainly on cultivation and farming. So the concern that has been raised by honorable member of this August House concerning the situation faced by farmers, I would like to reiterate that the recent drop in pricing of brooms and areca nuts, betel nuts have affected the farmers' income, leaving them devastated and discouraged. However, with the aim of our government, under the program of more than doubling the farmers' income, I hope that our people will get the support and benefits that will give them self-assurance. Providing subsidies, machineries, and establishment of necessary infrastructure such as warehouse, cold storage, creation of farmers' market, and so on in the area will boost their confidence. More importantly, I urge the government to develop a minimum pricing system that will protect the farmer rights and interests when determining the price of their produce. Sir, animal and husbandry, sericulture and apiculture are very popular farming activity in my area. To support the farmers, we need a proper veterinary dispensary with proper vets and staff, as well as the establishment of new veterinary dispensary and VAC in various locations, and to make them more accessible to the people. I request my government to speed up the revival of the dispensary at Senduli, upgrade the MAW8 VAC, and establish new VACs in areas such as Japung, Liangdim, and Nongsham. I am also highly grateful to our government and our Deputy Chief Minister in charge of road for making the EE division at Viangdo and SDO division at Shalang functional, and also for sanctioning the most awaited 12-kilometer Nongstoin MAW8 route, and also for sanctioning of PMGSY Nongdaju to Dorangre. Through you, Speaker, sir, I would like to reiterate that MAWSHYNRUT possesses huge mineral resources and have high potential on agricultural produce. But our people mainly depend on the mercy of traders from neighboring state of Assam. Hence, the completion of the remaining 36-kilometer Nongjiri MAW8 route would pave a way for a better business activities of our local traders with our neighboring country. Sir, under the Regional Connectivity and Border Trade Program, there is a huge potential for increasing trade with Bangladesh, especially for people living in West Khasi Hills and Garo Hills and East Garo Hills district, particularly for the town like Shalang, Nongstoin, Biliamnagar, and Rongjeng. By constructing the important 80-kilometer route from Shalang to Maheshkola via Riangmau, Langmar, and Amarsang. This route is also very significant for many settlements in the surrounding area. It will also ease the problem for people traveling from Bakmara to West Kasil district to rest of the state through West Kasil district, and it will also attract to increase the number of tourists to the famous Balpargram National Park. This route is also critical for a security point of view. By sanctioning for the construction of such a multi-purpose route, I am confident that it will benefit both the people and the state as a whole. I would also request my government and our Home Minister to consider setting up a police station or police outpost at MAW8 and Liangdim for security and safety of the people in the area. Under the program of health sector, sir, on behalf of the people of MAWSHYNRUT, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Health Minister, Dr. Amparin Lingdra, and our Honorable Chief Minister for sanctioning the upgradation of Liangdo CHC to FRU unit, and also for setting up a new sub-center in different villages. But sir,
please wind up, please.
Sir,
5 minutes already up.
Sir, just one more point, sir. But however, sir, at present in the vast area we are having only 2 PHCs. Considering the difficult geographical condition of my constituency, there is a need of at least another 4 PHC, mainly in Senduli, Soping and Umdang, Riangdim, which are the most awaited one. The land in Senduli, sir, has been handed over since 2014. Hence, I would request the government and honorable minister to kindly consider and look upon the aspiration of our people. And sir, lastly, sir.
Thank you. Please, no, please.
Sir, lastly, traditionally, my people are largely dependent on the herbal healing methods using local herbs and shrubs. A holistic wellness center in the region, sir, would largely benefit this practitioner and improve their method. This will also help in preserving the traditional healing practice and also regulate cultivation of plantation of medicinal plants and herbs, which will eventually generate employment.
Please.
With this submission, sir,